Ladies and gentlemen, here comes another yummy series.
Hi everyone! Today we are making cucumber, ginger and lime juice. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you haven't. Thank you and let's get started.
Delicious.
For this recipe I've got cucumber, lime and ginger. I've gone ahead to give them a nice wash. And I also have my water for blending. First, I will go ahead and cut off the tips of the cucumbers. Next, I will start chopping the cucumbers, ginger and lemon for blending. While chopping them, I will go ahead and tell you the benefits of cucumber. Cucumbers are low in calories but contain many potential vitamins and minerals, as well as high water content. Eating cucumber may lead to many potential health benefits, including weight loss, balanced hydration, digestive regularity, and lower blood sugar level. Ginger is loaded with antioxidants. It helps regulate blood sugar level and many more. Limes are high in vitamin C and antioxidants. Drinking lime juice helps to improve immunity, reduce heart disease risk factors, prevent kidney stones and promote healthy skin. Okay guys, here is my lime juice. I'm going to set it aside and start blending the cucumber and ginger.
Delicious. Delicious. This food is yummy. Delicious. Da coconut music.
Okay, my lovely people, after straining the first time, I'm going to use my cheesecloth to strain it again.
Yummy. Delicious. Delicious. This food is yummy. Delicious.
Okay guys, I will go in with the lime juice and I'll go ahead and sweeten it up with honey. I am using organic honey. Mix thoroughly and voila! The juice is ready. You can enjoy it 2 or 3 times a day. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for your love and support. If you have watched till this point and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to our channel and share to your friends and families. Thank you and always be positive, and see you in our next video. Bye guys.